This is my homemade plane second video. What I've changed on it is instead of a 2200 kV motor, I'm using now a 1400 kV motor with a 8x4 prop instead of a 3-bladed 6x4 prop. So it's slower RPMs, larger propeller. It pretty much handles the same. It's not quite as fast, but the rudder is a lot more responsive. Let's put it in there. Another thing I did was I drilled a hole from the back of the motor mount over here to allow air to flow back to the motor because it was getting too hot.
Daddy.
4-cell battery, I think, is going to be a little bit too much for it. Okay, with the 4-cell battery, it was just too much for it. The wind going over the control surfaces, I had no control because the Home Depot foam, I cut it too thin without reinforcing it, and it's as you can see, just too flimsy, too much air flowing over it. And looks like my wing spar is about the only thing that kept this wing together. Without it, it would have definitely came apart. A little bit of glue and it'll be ready to go again. Well, maybe a lot of glue. But yeah, it's going too fast for the structural integrity. So I plan to build another one. Instead of going with 1-inch thick foam, I plan on going with a 4x8 sheet of 1/2 inch thick, and I plan on stacking them 4 on top of each other. That way whenever I cut the airfoil wing out, it'll be in halves, 4 halves. That way I can cut it on the inside and place a aluminum rod through it to stiffen it up. And that's pretty much it.